a little surprise for you. This is something I've been working on for, I don't know, 2 or 3 months now. It's a customer of mine. It's very regular. His name's Nick. He runs a rental car business where he just has all these crazy, exotic, random different vehicles that he rents out to the public. I will drop a link in the description about his company. So if you want to rent this vehicle or one like it, you can. We're putting all white wheels on a new Cybertruck. This is the first one on my channel, first one I've seen in person. So it's an interesting color. It's green. I haven't seen a green one yet, but we're doing some all white Lexani wheels on it, some 24s with some 33-inch Venom Power tires. So check this thing out. Here it is. I believe this is a Cyber Beast, which is more powerful and maybe a little longer. But I don't know that to be 100% certain. It could just be the regular Cybertruck. Comes factory with a 35-inch tire on it. This is the Goodyear. The wheels have this optional cap that will go on them from the factory to kind of sit in this line over the tire. But they took them off of this one. A lot of people take it off. I guess it looks better. This one has a green wrap on it. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to tell you. I know that I read an article that this truck has the biggest windshield ever made in history on any vehicle ever. It has the big LED bar across the front, which is super cool. Let me push this. That opens the door. I think it does turn the light on too. Yeah, look at that LED. That's super cool. My kid's gonna go absolutely crazy when I tell him that I worked on a Cybertruck today. He's obsessed with him. So I guess we'll do a little interior checkout of it. Has the little, I call it a Mario Kart steering wheel, which is pretty awesome. There's that big windshield. Full ceiling is glass all the way to the back. And then you have the window in the rear with the bed, and then there's a cover that rolls down over the top of the bed there. Pretty awesome seating. There's plenty of room in here for everybody. I thought it was gonna be weird shaped when I got in it, but it actually feels pretty normal in here, other than the full, glass ceiling. That's kind of crazy. But these things are pretty nice. So you just swipe up, and she's ready to go. So I'll do a little section in this video showing the wheels and tires and everything for you. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough content to do a full install video of everything, a full length video, so I'll just add it into this video. But let me know what you think about the Cybertruck. By the way, they say it's not as expensive to have one of these, daily maintenance, because there's no fuel, obviously there's no gas. You do have more on your power bill that you're gonna have to pay every month, but from what I hear from everybody, they're saying that it's cost effective to have one. Look at the radar on this. This is insane. It knows every car that's in front of it. Like if you look in front of me right now, you see the cars in the parking lot. It knows like what kind of body style. It knows that that's a truck. It knows that that's a van. It knows that these are all cars and SUVs and trucks. Like it tells every single, it even knows what a stop sign is. This is crazy. It's showing me cars in the gas station across the street. That's wild. I wonder what it makes the Tahoe look like on the radar here. Let's see. See, it even thinks my Tahoe's a truck. It's kind of funny. This is cool though. I don't know if I could drive one of these every day because it feels so different to me. But take some growing on me. Maybe I will. One more thing I just noticed. This thing is 4-wheel steering. How cool is that? Cybertruck is done. Definitely super different than what I'm used to up here, but I think it turned out all right. The customer's gonna love it. The tire and wheel choice was one of those that it could have looked good, it could have looked bad. I like it, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is it. We did the 24-inch Lexani Velar. This has a custom paint, white, obviously, to match the badging on the Cybertruck. It has floating center caps with it, which is really cool. We did a 33 1250 24 Venom Power RT tire. The truck clears all the way, both ways. You know, it is a four-wheel steering, so I had to take into account the rear of it for the first time ever, except I did do a Hummer EV once, which is four-wheel steering, but a little bit different on this one. Everything clears all the way. We didn't have to trim anything on the truck at all. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. If you guys have a Cybertruck that you want to do, I guess bang my line 678-994-9180, and I appreciate you guys watching.